Hello friends, welcome to the MAPHCH YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to find the squares of the numbers. In this video, I will going to tell you about a short trick that how can we find the squares of different numbers which ends with the number 5. You got it? For suppose we are having 25, for suppose we are having 35, for example we are having 55, 1005. We can easily find for these numbers which the units number is 5. Okay, today in this video I am going to tell you about how to find the square root values of different numbers. Okay, let us start with an easy example that how can we find the square in the normal method. Startingly we can take 2. Okay, for example I am taking 2. How can we find the square root of this, square of this number? uh, we can write it like this, right? 2 into 2 is equal to 4. This is how the standard method that we follow. For this short trick you need to remember just one number which is very helpful, that is 5. To find this we can just write like this: 5 into 5 is equal to 25. This is very clear. Now if someone asks you how can you find the square of the 15, how can you find then square of 15? Don't fall in this traditional method, 15 into 15, we need to this, all these calculations is waste of time. In the competitive exams you cannot spend much time on this big long methods. These may have many chances of doing mistakes over there. Now I will tell you a very good trick that it can help you a lot. It can save your time. Okay, now 15, square of 15, just what is the next number of 1? It is 2, right? uh, Forgot about this 5 for the next 1 second and just see this 1 and 2. 1 into 2 is 2, and what is the square of 5? Is 25. The square of the 15 is 225. Is that clear? Next we will find for 25. What is the square of 25? You parallelly try with me, it will be helping you a lot. Okay, 25, forgot about this 5 for some time and see that what is the square of 25. What is the square of 5? Is 25. Now next number is 3. What is the next number of 2? Is 3. Okay, 3 3 2s are 6. Write down 6. And what is the square of this 5? Is 25. This is 25. The total answer is the square of this 25 is 625. Is that clear? Now we will try for the 105. What is the square of 105? This is quite simple. You think this is a very big number, but no, it is very simple. What I am telling is, take this number. Okay, wait a second, it's my problem, sorry. Take this number 105. Forgot about this 5 for some time. Take this number. This is 10. After 10, what is the next number? It is 11. Multiply with this. What we will get? 10 into 11. 1 0 is a 0, 1 1 is 1, and next 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1, 0 1 1 110, right? We are getting 110. 110 and square of this 5 is 25. We are getting 11025. This is the square value of 105. Now you tell me what is the square value of 225. Try it on your own and tell me the answer in the comment box. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and keep learning. Thank you.